I, yeah, yeah.
Not myself.
Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Whoa. From racks to the riches. My base is still hitting. Been hoping and wishing. These boys politicking. My pockets can't kick it, but still by my business. Yeah. I'm still with the fitness, my perfect attendance. The reason I'm in it, been needing them digits, been feeding the vision, can't stop at the finish. I'm cracking the whip, look at the flick of the wrist. Watch how I fucking your bitch, I hop out the crib. Bet you they like how I live, bet you they loving the kid. I fuck it and dip, know that I'm never gon' slip. Keeping my hand on the grip, been running this shit. As long as I stick to the script, one day I'll be making it hit. Wow, see how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Yeah.
Man, that's starting to look really nice. Yep. See how this seam sealer lay on top of this. Looking at that bottom, it wasn't too bad. Still seam seal that stuff. It was just so hard to find good metal on this car. So, couldn't lay my beads as tight as I wanted. And man, it's just not perfect, but it's sturdy. I have to put some seam seal over it and try to make it look uniform at least, because the spot wheels just wasn't getting the job done, and all this bad metal. This is the only place I had some good metal at, right here. All this is still bad all throughout there. Bad metal all up in there. I'm still gonna work that a little bit more, but I'm gonna put some seam sealer on there today. I may grind down a little bit more on some of the spots and then spray a little bit of primer over the top. I definitely got sand on this though. I gotta try to get this on down. Yep. Firewall looking a little bit better. To hit it with that seam sealer. Seam sealed all the spots I welded at. All that's gonna be painted, so it's gonna look a little bit better, but yeah, you're gonna be able to tell that I put that box in there, but it's all good. I welded and seam sealed all up under here. We're gonna get that one right there where it's dripping. I'm gonna definitely make that look a little bit better. Got it all up in there. Nice tight beads, all up in there. I'm from Ronald lined it, so all that stuff gonna be black. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so as y'all can see, it's time for me to spray some bedliner, man. I'm gonna wire wheel this a little bit better, and then I'm gonna have to come and mask everything off. I don't like that he has all this strain on his brake line, and so I made this jacket up a tad bit. I hate that I'm gonna have to mask all that stuff off, but it's gotta get done. You know, all that stuff, it should have been replaced. Still can be replaced, but you know, it's not my car, it's not my restoration. So I got the back masked up. I was trying to decide if I was gonna tape it off, but man, there's gonna be such a low pressure. I'm just gonna not spray it up in there. Yep, I'm just not gonna I'm not gonna do it. This that side. I still gotta do this side, mask it up and everything. And that brake line is definitely pulling. I masked up a lot of stuff. I'm just ready to go ahead and get this car out of here, primer it. All this dust is sitting on my car, man. Just dust on dust on dust. I did all that work and hadn't even been taking care of it, but it is what it is. Like I always, just throw some more clear coat on top of it and it'll all pop back. I know it will. So, yep. I'm just gonna hate to have to redo everything again, but it's making me better, more proficient. He was able to pull those wires in. So, I won't have to worry about that when I'm painting the firewall. Still trying to get everything, you know, nice and clean. I'm gonna show y'all this hole. Yeah, I think that's about ready for primer right there. Got fiberglass, got a little bit of bond over the top. And it's a little off, but it's not that bad. It's not even gonna be all that noticeable. Some of this Bondo fell into the seam sealer, so I'm just gonna let that stuff be. It's good and hard. I mean, ain't no water gonna penetrate it, I guess. But that seam sealer dry pretty good. That's what it's gonna be. And I did want to knock that lip down a little bit more on that welding that I did, but on the frame, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna let that be, because it's probably gonna get worse before it get better. So it is what it is. The owner, he knows about it. He was okay with it, you know. I told him I wasn't really prepared to do all this. I thought it was just gonna be a basic, a little bit of sand work, a little bit of primer, a little bit body work, and mostly paint, but it turned out to be way more. But we ain't running from it, man. We just staying on top of it, trying to get it done. So yeah, man, I'm finna throw y'all on time lapse. Y'all just stay tuned. Oh yeah, got a little bed liner up in there now. That first coat went on good, man. That second coat, I put too much hardener in there. It started acting weird, got real runny. Too many runs. But it's still good as long as it's tough. It's sturdy, protected. Show y'all all the wheels before I get back to what I'm doing, spraying my last little couple coats. Damn, I got something on that. I'm gonna have to wipe that off. But for for the most part, it's going on pretty good. Definitely sure can see a lot of that black on it. I really should just stop while I'm ahead, man. So that ugly side, everything else looking pretty though. You're masking everything up. Got the T-tops masked up. I don't remember why I did that, man. I think I hit that with like 180 because I thought I was trying to shoot some primer, but we didn't have no more primer. I'd be just doing shit. Sometimes I question myself, man, but I don't know why I do the dumb stuff I do sometimes. That bedliner. Masking it all up and hit everything with 180. Tail lights removed. We got to mask up these lights. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. It's starting to look good. I'm getting closer and closer to having everything painted, primered at least. You definitely gotta go back over a lot of this stuff, mask it all off, tape it back off, get ready to primer everything. Gotta mask this off again. Right now we're currently masking off all the T-tops and all the glass. This one I ain't even got no mirror. I ain't gotta worry about that one. You know where that clip is? Tension with the bottom there. It's just kind of stuck on. Looks like you're chewing this up. It's a rattle clamp. That's already broken. It was broken before. I thought it was supposed to be like a little clamp right there. There's supposed to be a gasket. You can't buy it. There's supposed to be a gasket here. I took this off, rebuilt the whole motor inside myself. Oh, so you know what you're doing? It's been a while. So not anymore. I did. Okay. Man. You buy, you break, you buy. Ain't that what they say?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. I'm not responsible. I'm not responsible for that. Man, this is what I'm concerned about. Some of this right here. Some of this door. But man, it's no major concern, people. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm trying to perfect everything I'm doing. So I keep on going over and over, over and over, over and over. I already know some of the overspray gonna get on that. Oh my God, black on the brake booster. A little bit more seems to look when I hurt that, but I'm gonna hit that with 80 and 180 right here across the top. Bring that down a little bit more. Like I said, we're gonna mask all that off. I'm gonna sand that back down. But just putting some black in there. We're just trying to kill all red, so it's gotta be some color other than red. Long story being short. So we're gonna scuff all back in there. Oh, I forgot to show y'all this. We got this set up. This hood is fiberglass, so I wanna make sure I don't go too low on it. I think I'm just gonna 320 it. Man, where was that breeze at when we needed it earlier? I told you I could just naturally feel that I was getting cooler. I could tell by the sweat, the size of my sweat. Man, when you just constantly dripping, drip, drip, yeah, that's 85 degrees, man. Y'all see it right here? It's getting way too hot in here, man. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and mask this glass off. Man, any of my YouTube followers, man, subscribers, man, if y'all could tell us how we could fix this or refer me to somebody that might know about these a little bit better. Is that piece broken? I don't know. Is that piece broken?
I don't know, that's how it came off the car carrier like that.
I'm finna throw y'all on time lapse.